Hey Jed, this is John, and this is my friend DC. DC is he plays a lot of gigs here in Fort Worth, even in the Fort Worth Stockyard. So I'm just asking him to do some drones here. We didn't have time to do cross tuning, but we'll see if we can do some double stops and just get you an idea on this old violin.
We might do the cross tuning at another time if you're really interested in that. But I've already played this thing and it sounds like it has a pickup on it. It's really got a lot of volume. I really like it. I'd probably buy it out from under you if I had the money. Well, I may have to take my hearing aids out to play this one.
Good deal.
Wow, it's got some good volume to it. I enjoy playing this.
Yeah,
Very nice. I would recommend it.
It fills a room. It's got a good reverberation to it. It sounds like in the high end, it's bright. It's got your steel strings on it, so definitely good. What are your thoughts if somebody was interested in this for, doing the cross tuning or for playing old time?
Well, it just depends on your style, I suppose, but that's more my style, the old time, and I just play a lot of old country stuff, really. And, used to like to play fiddle tunes, but just don't really have anybody to play rhythm with me too much anymore. But, yeah, I would recommend it for that or for anything, really.
Cool. All right. Well, DC approved. Well, I appreciate your time, and we'll send this on to Jed. Hope y'all have a good day.
All right.